Maybe bring the depth down a little. And we might even give this rivet a gradient overlay. So we'll give a layer style gradient overlay, and we'll just go into our gradient. We'll do the same as before. Just come into our settings here, swap this one to white, and change our outer opacities to 0. And what we might even do is change our gradient type to radial, and we'll just go back into our style there again. We'll get rid of this one, and we'll change this far left. So that's going to work okay. We can probably even no, we'll leave that one white. And that's probably working the way we want it. So let's grab this mask, Control D, which gives us 2 masks, and with the second one selected, Control T will allow us to move it or resize it, but in this case we just want to move it over. We'll come out a little bit to line it up. And that's going to work right there. Okay, so we have our rivets there, and that's working fine. And the next thing we need to do is, you'll notice that in our text it's supposed to be punching out of this plate, but we're not seeing that brushed metal underneath there. Let's just go to our base plate, grab our fractal noise, Control C, and come to our CG SWAT text, and Control V just to type it in there. And what we want to do is go into our layer styles. We'll leave that as an overlay, but we'll come into our layer styles, and in our advanced blending, this is for the text layer, we're just going to bring our fill opacity up a little bit, and you'll see there that that brushed metal starts to come back in, and that's working quite well. So we'll unhide our background, and we might as well put our adjustment